Hello everyone, and this is tutorial number 3 in my series called Assembly Demystified. And in this tutorial, we will create a basic Hello World program. So basically what you need to do is open up gedit or whatever textpad editor that you have, and you see that this was our program from last time. So I'm going to create and save another file, and we will also put it in the assembly directory that we created that time, but we'll just call it hello.s instead. Hello.s. I don't know why I did that. Cancel. That's weird. Why don't I just do this? Okay, and hit save. Okay, so now we have a hello.s. That was a small error. I don't know what that was for, but that doesn't matter right now. Okay, so with hello.s, you need to have more data than you have in the exit. All this does is this just exits, but we need to have more things. So we're going to define something called .section.data. Okay, and in the .section.data, you have where you declare predefined memory. So we're going to create a label like this. You see, we're going to call it hello. Okay, colon. Okay, and hello, this just says that this is a label, and then we're gonna do .ascii hello world, and I want \n there. Save all that. Okay, then that ends the section.data, so .section.text, as you remember from last time, is .global start. Okay, so now the instructions will be slightly different from what you did here. Okay, what we're gonna do is, for safe, it's going to be move. Now, because we're using x64 and not x86, there is no L, because in long is 32-bit, not 64-bit. Therefore, there is no long, and you just do move. So move $4 to percent RAX. That means move 4, the immediate value 4, into RAX. Move $1 to percent RBX, which means move the immediate value of 1 to RBX. Now, you may be wondering what these two flags mean. And these two flags mean is $4 indicates write, and $1 indicates write to the standard output. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do move $hello to percent RCX, which means move the memory reference. Dollar and a label means memory reference, not actual memory, to the register. And then we're going to do move $, and we need to find out what the length is, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the \n is 12. So 12 to RDX, then we call int $0x80, and you remember that from the other program. And what that does is it will call an interrupt, and then it'll display hello world. However, we have to still exit. We have to return 0. So move $1 to percent RAX, move $0 to percent RBX, and then int $0x80. Save this. Okay. Now we have to open up terminal. Now navigate to the assembly directory, and you'll see there is a hello.s, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a minus o hello dot o hello dot s. Okay, there does not seem to be an error. Hello and hello dot o. Okay. Boom, hello world. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how you do a simple hello world in assembly. And that's basically it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next episode.